Hi guys, we can probably call this cooking Grandad style. Nanny's on holiday for a week, so I've got to look after myself. I've got ham and cheese tortelloni, or whatever. This is 2 servings in here, so I'm going to have to cut it in half. It says, bring a pan of water to the boil. Add salt if desired. Add pasta, return to boil and simmer for 5 minutes. Drain and serve. Okay. Get this open first. Right, because it's 2 servings in there, I'm guessing I'll have to put this back in the fridge and have it again tomorrow. Right, that should be about half of it, I think. One more for luck. I'll cover that and put it back in the fridge. I think we can stop filming for a while that boils. Oh, I could set the timer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Right, timer's going. That's me 5 minutes boiling. How are we going to do this? Let's just move the camera over here. Okay, that goes in there. Then a bit of pesto apparently. Pesto alla Genovese. Right, well that's my meal. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.